Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we've got a Elite Trainer box of Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. This is a set that just came out, so we're gonna go ahead and open up a box and see what we can get. So I did skip out on the original Scarlet and Violet, the base set. So this is my first opening of the new series, new game series. Okay, so let's see. Now you get 9 TCGs now. Sorry, 9 booster packs. Oh boy. Yeah, 6 damage counter dice. All the other stuff looks the same. Man, it's so blurry. Okay, but other than that, alright. We'll go ahead and open this up here. It's got the booklet. It's nice that they still have these booklets. I think, oops, Magic got rid of them. But yeah, no, super cool. Love that. Checklist. Let's take a look, shall we? Quickly. Check that out. All the psychic. Fighting. They actually did change a lot of the look. They're all silver bordered for this series. Because I know the first Scarlet and Violet base set. Here we go. Here's a trainer gallery. Here's some more. Yeah, I wish sorry about the blurriness. Wow, these are cool looking though. Why is it so blurry? Here's some more of the special rares. Secret rares over there. The evolution. Yeah, alright. So, let's get into this. So, same as before. All this is pretty much the same. I love this. This is so cool. Gotta be one of my favorites. It's so nice and colorful. It's got the 3. The new Power 3. Starter 3. These dividers come in clutch. These, oh, and look at that. A promo Pikachu. So let's see. Why is... Sorry. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So that's the promo card. Put these aside. That aside. Okay, so let's get to opening. Got 9 booster packs here. I believe the trick is the first one. Packaging feels a little tighter. So let's see here. It's just the one, right? Yeah, okay. Basic Energy, Mischief, Wingull, Pineco, Meryl, Zwellius, Spidops, Pyroar, Krogunk, nice looking foil, Fighting Owlate. What were we doing last night? I was fighting Owlate. And Meowscarda GX, cool. So 2 foils plus the rare. Excellent. Put that off to the side. 1 to the front. And let's see, Psychic. Oh, dark. Knockley. Fuecoco. Tinkatink. Strudel. Palo Sand. Raichu. Gothitelle, Skiploom, Palmy, and a Veluza. Oh, did the whole foil now. Cool. Put those up there. Let us continue. Grass. Fighting. Mankey. Delibird. Super Rod. Love Disc. Florigato. Mr. Roboto. Mousehold. Tinkatuff. Q-Font. Paldean Tauros. And Quaquavel EX. Cool. So we got 2 EXs so far of both the starters. So we're missing the Fuecoco evolution. EX. Oops, almost did it the wrong way. Alright, let's see. I want to say Psychic. Thunder, dang it. Glimmet, Bramblin, Shinx, Nimble, Arctibax, Giacomo, Talonflame, Super Rod, Jigglypuff, and Hariyama. Nice. Okay. So far it's okay. Oops. Well, we know it's just one. I'm going to say Fighting. Psychic, of course. Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Palmo, Gothorita, Honchkrow, Seviper, Corvisquire, and Jumpluff. Alright, let's see here. Dang it, did it again. Fire. Yeah. Mastiff, Paldean Wooper, Slakoth, Pikachu, Heracross, Kilowattrel, Azumarill, Glimmet, Pikachu, and Orthworm. Orthworm. Alright. There must be a new Pokemon because I don't remember. Orthworm. Is it made out of ore? From the earth? Steel? Water. Dunsparce. Noibat. Sprigatito. Quaxley. Calamitous Wasteland. Primeape. Grusha. Charcadet, Giacomo, and Lokix. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Still haven't pulled anything super crazy, but maybe there's something here. Alright, let's see. Thunder, Steel. Man, I'm like 1 away. Krogunk, Rookidee, Magnemite, Phalanx, Vespiquen, Ice-Q, Yono, Saguaro, and Tropius. Hey, oh, look at that. So which one is this one? This one's the alternate art. And Garganical. Yeah, that's what it is. Tropius. Hey, that's a good one right there. Go ahead and sleeve that one up. Cool looking card. Looks very cartoony. Ooh. Alright. That wasn't bad. I guess that makes up for a nice little alternate art. Still no trainer gallery or anything else of the nature, so let's hope this last one's a banger. Let's see, what have we not gotten yet? We've gotten everything, so let's go with Psychic. Fighting. Okay. Charcadet, Relor, Tadbulb, Frigibax, Miss Magius, Bramblegast, cool. Superior Energy Retrieval, Katoddle, Sneasel, and ooh, Slowking EX. Very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. Alright. Overall, not too bad. Fun box to open. I do like the way the cards look. You get 2 foils in every pack as well as your rare, which could also be a foil. So, not too bad. Hoping these next few sets pretty good at Pokemon. I heard sort of Violet and Scarlet and Violet wasn't that good, but hey, who knows? Maybe with more support, those will go up. So, all right, guys. Well, that was that. Stay tuned for some more videos. Got some more. Got some Marvel boxes. I got some more DC HRO, and yeah. So stay tuned. We're gonna be hunting for some Chapter 2 stuff in HRO. So that'll be coming soon. All right. Take it easy. Have a good day.